Hello, everyone. So I would assume that you've looked at your screen and you are kind of happy because there isn't much to do this week. I've given you just two things to do, and once you're done with those two things, then you are finished for the week. All right. I've done this. I've done this mostly because I know that you have been working really, really hard and you've done so much work for this class. Um, if you have been keeping up with your work for the weeks, these 3 weeks behind us, 4 weeks behind us, I want you to think of this as a special treat just for you. You get those two things done and you're done and you have this huge burden that's lifted off of your shoulders and you can almost feel like you're starting your spring break early. If you haven't gotten some of your work done, and I've got a few kids who have they still owe me like 8 or 9 assignments. If you're one of those kids, please get your work done. All right. This is an opportunity for you to get caught up. I don't want anybody to be working into spring break. All right. Spring break is spring break. You should not be having to work on your history homework. So, if you are on top of things, it's so light and easy this week, and congratulations. And if you owe me a lot of work, well, it's a light week. You don't have much to do this week um, uh, for this week, but you got a lot to do to catch up from your previous weeks. All right. Uh, take care of yourself. Make sure that you're getting some physical activity. Um, eat right, and I'll see you again soon.